Happy birthday! Ay!
Mali.
Guys, manood po kayo Born to Shine! Anong oras?
Monday, March 23!
Ano daw? 2:30 p.m. after It's Showtime this Monday na Born to Shine!
Yes, Smokey! Invite mo sila. Mga senior, tinama.
Ngayong Lunes na po ang umpisa ng Born to Shine. Magkita-kita po tayo sa ating mga TV sets at panoorin ho natin ang pinaghirapan ng lahat ng mga nandito. Inuulit ko, Born to Shine ngayong March 23 na after It's Showtime. Yes?
Yes po, Born to Shine. Muli, abangan niyo po kami. At sana po, this is Born to Shine after Showtime. Ayun po, 2:30 p.m. Manood tayo guys, sabay-sabay tayo manood on Monday. Okay